Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can remove a password from Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Passwords Manager. Finally, just click on one of your added passwords that you wish to get rid of. Tap on one of those login methods and enter it to access your password. Lastly, to delete it, just click on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!